Ladies and gentlemen, good evening. Welcome to the beautiful wedding celebration of Mr. and Mrs. Ryan and Nosy Caballero. Let's get ready for the couple's entrance. I am Coach Aram Lubaton, your host for tonight. Siguradong mag-i-enjoy tayo ngayong lahat dahil mas papainitin pa natin ng gabi ni na Sir Ryan and Ma'am Nosy. Can I hear a big round of applause? Everyone! Pero bago ang lahat, I have a special request from you all. Pwede ko bang maingin yung good energy and cooperation para naman maging masaya tayo ngayong gabi? Okay lang ba? Alright, I'll open lahat.